Guys, what is up, guys? Today's video we are going to be playing Infinite Flight. So for those of you who don't know, this game is a airplane simulator. I've had a bit of trouble with it recently because I keep accidentally changing the place I'm supposed to be at. But right now I'm going to use the plane that I was on when I went to Canada a few days ago. We just got back 2 days ago. But I gotta put it in lock. Parking gate. And for some reason, I don't know why, but the controls are weird, so I have to use my iPad and lift off with it, so. Yep. That's one thing I hate about it. Yeah, so I gotta. Slam again. Get some food and then we'll take off. United, that's the plane I was on. Although I was on a Boeing 737, this is a 737 MAX, I'm pretty sure, or not, but the plane was a really good plane. He had a really good pilot, too. Well, if you're enjoying the flight, make sure you give hold on. If you like what I'm doing, and if you like my videos, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. But for now, let's just focus on trying to fly. Currently trying to fly one-handed because I have been itching. I don't even know if it has autopilot. Oh, yes it does. Well, that just makes it a whole lot easier. Oh crap, don't need to do that. Something just happened to my wings, and I don't like that at all. Oh, I'm in control now. A little bit of turbulence. If you can trust me, I'm a great pilot. Going down for emergency landing. That's a pretty good flight. Well, I'm going for a different plane now. I might go for the A-10, or should I go for the FA-18E? Oh, I'm tired. Ugh. Oh, I have horrible fuel. That's not good. Wow, way too loud. I have 7 minutes left of fuel. That's really not good. I gotta turn back and refuel. Woo! We're going down. Now we might actually be going down. Holy crap. full. Emergency landing. Yeah. Crash. Gotta get that out of the way. Okay. How do I get this off my screen? I accidentally pressed a button, now it's in my way. Oh, there it is. Ooh. What just happened? Why can I never land? What the frick? It's really hard. Also, I'm gonna try another plane, a really big one at that, and also put it as a see 737 Boeing 737. But the one I was on was this one, and it was on United. Yeah. It was this one for sure. But we're gonna do this one and also do it United. United is my favorite since it's my first. Sorry if I'm yapping. Oh, my back. Pretty cool, not gonna lie. Turbulence, turbulence, turbulence. Well, I see another airport. I'm gonna try to land at that. What's wrong with overspeed? Oh, that might be why. Because it gets hard to turn and then my alt speed is like getting really low. I have to get in the middle. Ooh, ooh. No, 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 no. Bad, 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 bad. This is bad. This is really, really bad. Really, really bad. Oh, we're going down for emergency landing. It's not a crash. Okay, now we are pretty good. Now it's not like emergency stuff like again. Screwed, I'm putting autopilot on. Autopilot off. Really close. Now we're hitting some turbulence. Well, that's it for today. If you want another video, make sure you like and, I don't know, comment. Until next time, bye-bye.